gas and electricity energy prices. I was looking on my British gas account and hidden at the bottom here, and I was saying to the wife only the other day that I bet you we pay more in standing charges than what we are in electricity. A standing charge is just for having a meter in, basically, just for having a supply to the house. Mind you, our electricity's been off about 100 times in the last year or so, but that's beside the point. It's been off because of faults, that is, not because we haven't paid the bills, sorry. Anyway, I was saying to the wife about standing charge. Well, electric unit is 34 pence per kilowatt hour, but the standing charge is 46 pence per day. That's not even enough 50 pence every day you're paying in standard charges. And then the gas, if you have gas, we have both. We have gas and electric. We try to use as little as possible. Okay, the gas is 10 pence, a little bit more, okay, per kilowatt hour. And the standing charge for the gas is 30 pence per day. So that's 30 pence standing charge. Add 50 pence is 80 pence per day. Well, by the time you muck about and other stuff, it's not even off £1 a day, and there's 350 odd days a year. So £350 of your gas and electric bill is going in standing charges just to have the meter in. Obviously, you know, if you get the meter removed or whatever, you stop using it, you're going to freeze, you won't have any gas or electricity. So what is it? You know, and smart meter, right? They're pushing this idea of smart meters, but do you know how much it costs to manufacture and make a smart meter? How much CO2 is used to actually manufacture a smart meter? Do you know how much is spent on the software needed to read that smart meter remotely? It has to be pretty secure software on a secure system. Do you know how much that costs and the staff behind doing that? They have to be almost specialised staff. Why are your energy prices going up now they've introduced smart meters? Coincidence? I just thought I'd show you that about standing charges there. Okay, you can twiddle the figures a little bit there, but basically you're paying even up £1 a day by the time you finish, you know, the charges, whatever. Lucky to go online to read your meter reading. How much electricity is your smart meter using, by the way? If you've got one in, it's got to use some power from somewhere